Hello, everyone. Welcome to Aria Daily English. Today, I will talk about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes and get out of bed. First, I stretch my arms and legs. Then I make my bed. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Cold water helps me feel awake. Next, I go to the kitchen. I prepare a simple breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. While I eat breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. Then I brush my hair. I check my phone for messages. Before leaving, I make sure I have my keys, phone, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes. I leave the house and start my day. The morning air feels fresh and peaceful. This is my morning routine. What about you? What do you usually do in the morning? Tell me about your morning routine in the comments below. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aria Daily English. See you next time. Goodbye.